Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up role-based access control in Glide apps step by step clearly. Start by opening your Glide app. Navigate to your Glide dashboard. Select the app you want to configure. Access the Users tab from the left menu. Click on User Profiles to manage user data. Add a new column for roles in your user table. Name this column something descriptive like user role. Define the different roles you want to implement. For instance, you may want roles like admin, editor, and viewer. Next, go to your main data table where you have your app's content. Identify the columns that you want to control access to. Select a column and then click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, find the Visibility section. Choose Condition to set specific access rules. Set the condition based on the user role column you created earlier. For example, you might set the visibility to show content only to admin users. Repeat this process for other columns or components as needed. Next, check the Actions settings for your app. Decide if certain actions should be restricted based on user roles. Set conditions for actions using the same user role criteria. After you've finished setting up access controls, test the app. Log in as users with different roles to confirm their access levels. Make any necessary adjustments to refine the user experience. Once satisfied, save your changes and publish the app. Now you have successfully set up role-based access control in Glide apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.